Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy Tron on your Binance mobile app step by step. Our first step is going to be opening up Binance. Once Binance is opened, you simply head over to the deposit section. Right here you click on deposits, and before we proceed I do have to make mention that there are different methods of purchasing Tron, either depositing crypto and converting it into Tron, or purchasing Tron directly with your dollar card or MasterCard, whatever card you use. So we're simply going to be tapping on this BUSD icon right here. We're going to be buying Tron, TRX. Click on Tron, and we're going to be buying $40 worth of Tron, which is equivalent to 597 Tron, where you simply click on confirm, enter your card details, and once you've entered your card details, you simply click on confirm again. And our second step involves converting our regular everyday coins or tokens into Tron. This can be done by clicking on convert. Once you've clicked on convert, you simply click on Bitcoin or any token you possess and click on Tron. It works for all tokens, so it's the same thing. Click on max, click on preview conversion, and click on convert. And boom, your Tron has been converted successfully, which is to say you have successfully purchased Tron on your mobile app. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.